Hi, welcome to Jacktv. I'm with Chris Baltimore. He's a guy, say that work with baseball player, and it's always there telling me, Jack, say we need to go to Haiti, say start to develop some sport to Haiti. That's why we need to develop Haiti. Say we need to play different sport also. Say we cannot just play soccer. So therefore, say Chris here, say always encouraging me, say and telling me how, say we can get the baseball in Haiti. So Chris, telling me something, say if we're gonna get baseball in Haiti, I know there's not they don't play baseball, they don't even understand the sport. How are we gonna be able to get them to play the sport and understand the sport? Do you have people that's gonna be in?
The thing is if they go ahead and they start to play baseball, they'll be able to come here on a student visa and study for free. If they're good enough, they'll be able to sign with a major league club if they're good enough, and be able to get what we call in America guaranteed contracts, or what they say it all across the world, internationally guaranteed contracts, which means you get a certain amount of money that's guaranteed so that you can use, to better your life. And there's no reason why there shouldn't be baseball in Haiti, because Haitians are very good athletes, and it would provide an opportunity for them to go ahead and come over to the United States without having to go another route.
That's very good, say as you can hear, say with Chris, we could develop baseball, say we could start with the young kids, say that's in Haiti, say start to make them play baseball. The way we can do that, say we could have Chris Baltimore, say he's already working with baseball player. He know what the industry is like, say how can we can get the kids in Haiti and start to play baseball and start to develop, say the skill that they need in order for them to be good. And Chris Baltimore is very good at that, say he has people, say he got connection. He can help those kids, say to come to the USA, say give them a visa and they could come in here and study for free. Say there's gonna be a lot of it could be a very good opportunity for those kids in Haiti. So Chris, say tell me, say the baseball player, I know they make a lot of money. So if a kids, say like come from Haiti and it's like it's not that good, say what's the minimum contract, say you think they can give that kids?
Well, if they're not good enough to sign a pro contract, then they can go the educational route and go to college, which is great, because college scholarship nowadays for 4 years is over $250,000, somewhere around there, anywhere from 200,000 on up, depending what school you go to. So no matter what, Haiti needs to realize the importance of sports on an international level. I know soccer is very big there, but where's money in soccer? Only in Europe, pretty much. I mean, yes, we had Beckham come over to the United States and that, but that's about it. He's your only high player pretty much over here. Your main sports now are in America, first and foremost basketball, and you have baseball, and you have football. But I think considering it being in the Caribbean, close to Dominican Republic and so forth, I think baseball would be the best route for the Haitian community to go to, and the best thing and best opportunity for them to be able to play sports and be able to progress as a society. Not to say that baseball will single-handedly change the problems in Haiti, but one superstar, two superstars that come out of the Haitian community in the next 5 to 10 years doing this plan that we have for Haiti, we could definitely help change things and have a domino effect. It would be a positive thing for Haiti.
As you hear from Chris Baltimore, say we could develop baseball in Haiti because there's no kids in Haiti that play baseball. We could do that. And the fact that, say the kids in Haiti, say need the kind of activity like that, so that could help them, say also for the education. And therefore I'm with Chris Baltimore, say he's come to Jacktv. Jacktv invite Chris, say people have to hear that from Chris Baltimore. And we need to do something about the kids in Haiti, and therefore, say if we can provide them with the sport, they can help them out, say where they could be able to come here in the United States, say and study and play baseball at the same time and making big money. While they're making big money, they could invest that kind of money in Haiti also while they're making big money, say because I could see Dominican Republic, say there's a lot of baseball players that's playing in the Major League Baseball over here. So why couldn't we not do the same thing also in Haiti? Because therefore, say we could do that. Say so. Let's keep it together. Say we have Chris Baltimore. He always encourage me, Jack. Say we gotta start something in Haiti as baseball because that's where the money at. I'm like Chris. Say there's nobody over there that plays baseball. How are they gonna be able to get to that market? He said we could teach those kids. Say we could put them to, we could make them play baseball. They could be able to do the right thing. Say they could play the baseball. So Chris, well, thank you for coming to Jacktv. I don't know if you have anything else to say to the big people out there.
I just want to explain to them that you have to use what you have accessible to you in life, and this is one avenue that could help out, the youth in Haiti, and actually be one thing to go ahead and help the country progress. Because as you see in the United States, although there are problems economically, people still go to the sports games. Players are still making money, even though they are taking pay cuts, but they still live far better than a lot of people in the world. So, I want to close with Dominican Republic is right next door to Haiti. There's no difference, in the type of athlete that DR has as opposed to Haiti. And the reason why Dominican ball players are so great is because the heart that they have, not only the talent that they're blessed with to play, but their want to be better and better. And the Haitian community is very similar in that respect because the Haitian people have a very big heart in their studies and what they want to do and what they want to go ahead and continue to get to whatever point they want to in their life. That's all I wanted to say, Jack.
All right, thank you, Chris, for coming to Jacktv. Say very welcome you.
Thank you
to Jacktv. Say stay tuned in Jacktv. We have more stuff to come. Say so. Stay tuned in Jacktv, one of the best TV station online.